doing in Santa Monica.
What's
It's not the is.com, but it was the oh damn, I can't remember. It was like a it was a thing where they would troll people, you know? Remember the trolling thing? They would
I
have the
remember that
trolls.
too. I
You
remember
remember
that. Yeah, and I remember also when you would show up at a comedy store sometime on a Monday, and
Yeah.
you do your stuff. So you're like, and then you would have all these guests, and it's funny because you would put these guests, and these are celebrities, and you would have these celebrities on your show, and they know what to anticipate. Yet you would put them in these uncompromising position because
Right.
you would have them on this trend where they would be having a serious conversation, and then you'll just throw something in there that's completely absurd. And
Well, you know, because it just can't stay the same. You know, if it's just like, how you doing? I'm fine. What
Yeah.
was yesterday like? Oh, it wasn't bad. You know, if there's no like, you know, dramatic, you know, turbulence, you know, wild waters. You know, you're not gonna have that the gripping. You know, you're not gonna be able to grip your seat. You know.
Yeah, like Jimmy Falcon having linguistics and eggs in the wild West.
That's right. Now, do you like soft drinks? You don't drink soft drinks? I bet you don't.
I don't drink. I don't.
No
soft
sugar.
drink. No sugar. No, none of that stuff.
That's incredible.
I try to stay light. I don't eat rice, bread, because I need energy. I need energy. It's all about energy, and you need energy to produce, to create mass production, to be prolific and mass production on my level. It requires a hell of a lot of energy. So I have to find ways to conserve. I have to find ways to reserve, and I have to find ways to have energy, to create energy, to produce energy,
To make
to
it,
keep going.
Tell me about, because you talk about energy, that makes me think of